Yeah, see, now it's taking off even more rust.
So I'm trying to get the rust off?
Yeah, that's the goal.
Okay.
What did you think you were doing? Hey, it's Tyler with Rusty Clam Garage. It's kind of been a long time since we have done any videos. Since then I've lost about 70 pounds and I feel like being outside more. So just since the last time, like after we took the bed off and everything, we got the last drum all done and got the lug studs pressed in and got the whole like brake shoes or whatever done. I don't have emergency brake cables hooked up because it didn't have the parts for it, and I can't find the part name or number for that little piece that the end of the cable attaches to inside. So it's just set up just regular brakes, no emergency brake or parking brake. And yeah, that made it a lot easier because I got a 20-ton shop press. Yeah, so that's been pretty cool. And if you didn't see on my shorts, we have a garage now. So kind of get shaded from the sun a little bit, keep stuff dry, especially with the broken window. I can take that trash bag off of it. And yeah, so anyway, I'm stripping down the frame right now. I just took the bumper off, it's right there. Yeah, and I'm gonna strip it down and start wire wheeling it, and I'll show you some progress in a bit. So yeah, before look at that. That looks pretty good. What are you talking about, bro? All right, so we got this part that is done, and then this is what it looks like before and after. So I'm gonna finish the rest of it, and then I'll give you an update after.
Okay.
You push down a little bit, you might be able to get like a little bit deeper. Yep. Yeah, see, now it's taking off even more rust. Yeah.
So I'm trying to get the rust off?
Yeah, that's the goal.
Okay.
What did you think you were doing?
I don't know, making it smooth?
Hold it steady.
I am.
This is why I had kids. All right, so that's the end of the framework for the day. I ordered some more rust reformer. I ran out. I thought a full case would have done it, at least the back, but I got another full case coming for inside of the frame. drive shaft, rear axle. So yeah, check back in later. Alright, so I might have skipped over a little bit here and didn't show myself painting the frame. But do you really want to watch me with a rattle can of rust reformer for 2 hours, or do you want to see the finished result? Check it out here. There's a couple more touch-ups we need to do, but it's coming out great.